Hello again. This video will be much shorter. This time I just want to show off my new ring, which comes from Etsy and which has gears on it that turn. This ring was handmade by Tony at Oryx Mechanical. It has 16 tiny gears spaced evenly around the perimeter of the ring, all interlocking with each other, and you can turn them. I sometimes put it on my thumb for fidgeting and demonstration purposes. You can run your finger along the edge and the gears turn together. You can also run a finger all the way around the entire ring. And because of the way the gears work, you can run a finger and a thumb in the same direction along the two sides of the ring. For fidgeting purposes, I sometimes put it on two fingers and run my thumb around it. It also works as a ring, of course. The gears still turn while you're wearing it. You can even use your thumb of the same hand to rotate them, although that's a little harder. It is a gorgeous ring, and I highly recommend it.